Hi, I'm Chad with Ridgid. I'm going to take a few minutes to introduce you to our K-6200 drain cleaning machine. The Ridgid K-6200 drum machine is designed to clean 3-inch to 6-inch sewer and drain lines. The 6200 machine uses 5/8" cable up to 200 feet and is powered by a direct drive universal motor. The 6200 is a large machine with a small footprint. The maneuverability of the 6200 will allow you easy access to some of the tightest work areas. The easy maintenance construction of the 6200 machine will allow you to separate the drum from the machine in a matter of seconds. This feature will also allow you to interchange our K-3800 drum with this unit, which will also give you the ability to clean 1.5 to 4-inch indoor drain lines. For more information on the K-6200 or any other Ridgid products, please visit ridgid.com. Thank you.